Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some birthday mail I received from some crafty friends. This is my birthday month. I did turn 52, but you know, age is just a number. I do feel older, for sure. But anyway, so yeah, let's get into it. I just wanted to thank Suzanne and Angelica. These are from them, and we'll get into Angelica's first. She is Crafter's Treats 2017 here on YouTube. Look at how beautiful this card is. So this is either a die or a she cut it out on a machine. But how beautiful is this? And then it looks like she even made the background. Oh, so pretty. And then she sent sentiments. How nice. Happy birthday. I can use these on my cards. Let's have some fun. Cheers. Celebrate. Yay. And let's eat cake. So I will add these to my sentiment container. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please like and subscribe. This is where I'm most active. I am trying to hit 1,000 subbies. So if you could share my video with any of your friends or family that are into crafting, I would appreciate it. But it just says, oh cool, look, she has a fun fact. Birthdays are great for you. Statistics show that the more you have, the longer you live. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Your crafty friend, Angelica. Oh, thank you so much, girl. That is true. And then Suzanne, beautiful Suzanne, she sent me, well, Sue, we call her Sue here on YouTube. She sent me a beautiful birthday wish as well. Oh, this is pretty. She has a pumpkin. I love this like sage-ish color. And then she stamped out happy birthday. The background is texturized, like it went through an embossing machine. I don't think the camera picks up the texture. Maybe if I go close. Oh, there, now you can see it. Yeah, but how pretty. And then she's just wishing me a special day. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Sue, and you, Angelica, for wishing me a happy birthday. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!